Okay guys, we're back. Sorry, I'm a little sick, so my voice sounds really bad, but let's get through this homework. So I'm gonna start by drawing my pentane. So that's 5 carbons. And then I'll add, I see En after the 3, so I'm gonna go to my 1, 2, 3rd carbon and put another bond here, because En stands for double bond. So I'll add that one, and then I see the YNE, the in, so that stands for a triple bond, and I'll put that at the 1 position going to the 2. So I'll do my 3 bonds there, and then I see lastly we have a methyl at the 3 position, so I'll add my methyl right there on that 3. And lastly I'll add my hydrogens, hit arrange. And then I see that it's a Z conformation, so the way I remember this is Z for same. So the highest priority when we turn this around, so we're going to put the double bond like this, and the highest priority on this side will be this one. I'll go ahead and draw it. So this is 1 on this side, and this is lower priority. And then, so when we look at it in half. And then on this side, we have our lowest priority, the hydrogen, and then our highest. And we see that 1 and 1 are on opposite sides, but they need to be on the same side. Z for same, or same, that's how I remember it. So I'll go ahead and just move this one over here and this one down here, hit arrange, and that should be good to go. Okay, I'll start with pentane again, 5 carbons. I see En indicating a double bond at the 1 position, so I put it right here, and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have the ene, so it's a triple bond after the 4 going to the 5. And then I have a methyl at the 2 position. So I'll add that, hit arrange. And there's no R, E, Z, or any of that, so that should be good to go. Ethene, so that's 2 carbons with a triple bond in the middle. And that should be good. Okay, I'll start by drawing my pentane. And then at the 1 position, I have the ene, so I'll put my triple bond over here. And then I have a methyl at the 3 position. I'll add my hydrogens, and I see that it is R conformation. So this is the only one that I'll do the drawing with. So we know our lowest priority is the hydrogen in the back, and this is going to be the second to lowest, because when we go out, we all have 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 1 carbon, and then I'll change colors. So then we got again, and so this triple bond is actually counts for 3 carbons. This one is 3 hydrogens, and this one is 2 hydrogens and a carbon. So 3 carbons beats 2 hydrogens and a carbon, but 2 hydrogens and a carbon beats 3 hydrogens. So our first one is 1 right there, and then 2 and 3. So this is going counterclockwise. Oh no, it's going right there to the right. So it's our conformation. So that should be good to go. And then we just double check. 1, 2, 3, right there to the right. Okay, let's check it out. Okay. Okay, start by drawing the pentane 1-ene, so I'll do my triple bond going 1 to 2, and then draw my methyl at the 4 position, add my hydrogens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just making sure I have the right amount, and that should be good. I'll draw my pentane. So I see diene, that means I have 2 triple bonds, one at the 1 position and one at the 4 position. So 1 going to 2, and then 4 going to 5. I'm going to add my methyl at the 3 position in the middle, add my hydrogens, and that looks good. I think the hardest thing about this homework is probably the naming ones, that hopefully we'll get to see a few of those. Oh, here we go. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. And I think I actually have this. Okay, yes. So this one doesn't have to be numbered because it's only 3, so either way it's going to be at the same position. So it's a propane, but instead of ane, we'll add ene for that triple bond. And that should be good. I think I spelled it right. Okay. Okay, another naming. Let's fit it to the screen. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be pent. And let's see, it's got 2 triple bonds, just like the one we just did. So I know for sure it's going to be the diene. And then let's see, 1 and 1 going to 2, 3, 4 going to 5. So 1, 4, diene. There's no methyls, there's no conformations that I can see. And lastly, I'm going to check my notes. I don't think I have it in my notes. I have butadiene, so I think I'm gonna try to leave it like this and see if that one pentadiene. Let's just leave like this without the numbers and let's see if it marks it right or wrong. Okay, so we got it right the first time. Okay, so I know for sure for the butane you can leave it as butadiene, but for this one you'll have to number it. Okay, another naming one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have butte, and then there's a ene at the 2 position. 1, 2 going to 3, butte 2 ene. Let's see. Okay. Okay, last one, a drawing one. We'll draw the pentane, add a double bond to the 1 position, and then a triple bond going from 3 to 4, and then add a methyl at the 2 position, add your hydrogens and hit arrange and fit. So just to make sure I got my double bond at the 1, I got my methyl at the 2, and 1, 2, 3, and my triple bond at the 3. Okay, I believe that was it. Yeah, so not too bad. Hopefully I can make another one, but my throat kind of hurts. But let's see. Good luck on this, guys. Bye.